video, I'm going to be sharing with you the review of the Gucci leather belt with the double G buckle. If you're interested in seeing that, please keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing fantastic, and as always, I'm so excited to be back to share another video with you. If you are here on my channel for the very first time, you're very welcome. My name is Mojisola Obazuaye, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Now let's get into this video, guys. So today I'm sharing a little gift I got with you, and I really wanted to share this with you because this is a very popular product. If you go on Instagram, this product is everywhere, and this is something in this Gucci box. Let's have some fun and open it together. It came in this packaging. It comes in this little dust bag, which I think is cute. The box is always solid, typical of every luxury good. And this is the belt. It is the leather belt with double G by Gucci. You can see what I mean, that it's very popular already. It's not something you haven't seen before. This is what it looks like. Let me give you all the details for the sake of people who really want it. So this is called the leather belt double G buckle by Gucci. So it is made out of real leather. This is leather all the way. It is leather. It is a handcrafted leather. The brass is antiqued brass with a shiny finish. Obviously it has a double G buckle, which is this one right here. The belt itself, the thickness of the belt is 4 centimeters wide. The smaller one, which is about 2 centimeters, but this particular one is 4 centimeters wide. This one was made in Italy. And when you think of Italy, you are thinking of luxury, you are thinking of leather goods. So this particular belt can be worn on the waist, and it also can be worn on the hip. But I deliberately chose a smaller size because I got this belt for wearing on the waist. I wear a lot of dresses to work, I wear a lot of dresses all the time. So my plan is to wear it a lot on the waist and not the hip. They have different sizes, and the sizes start from 65 centimeters, 70 centimeters, 75, then 80, and the sizes goes on and on to 120 centimeters. So if you are a little bit curvier, or if you are way slimmer than me, it starts from 65 centimeters up to 120 centimeters. How do you protect your belt? This particular one, it's a leather good, and leather has a natural tendency to change its color, especially with wear, continuous wear. So it's best to protect it by not placing it in front of direct sunlight, heat or rain. So you can't place your belt on your radiator at home or on the direct sunlight, okay? Or obviously in the rain. So if it ever gets wet, maybe you walk in the rain, it's best to always dry with a soft cloth and then allow it to dry properly before you then store it away. Always store it in the dust bag if you're not wearing it. This is how I make all of my products last really long. I always store it in the dust bag and put it back in the box. And this is why you have the dust bag and the box. It's better for storing, and it's better for transporting if you want to transport it with a box. This particular one retails for 360 euros. This is kind of like the second entry level one. There's the smaller one, which is about 250 to 290 euros, if I'm not mistaken. There are some that are more expensive than this, up to 600, 700, 800, depending on details on it. Let me quickly show you how the belt looks on me, okay? And I'll be styling it in multiple ways in the near future. Alright, stick around for that. Like I said, I got the belt to wear on the waist. So look at how it looks on my waist. This is size 75. I absolutely love how it looks. So if you are considering getting any, this would be my recommendation to you. Go with whatever you want, but I would highly recommend this one to you as an entry-level one. The thickness, which is 4 cm, is ideal if you are really slim, and if you are a little bit curvy, I think this is very good for you. If you missed my video on how to style a curvy woman, I'll link it up. This is the kind of belt I recommended for you. I mean the thickness. So if you are considering getting it, those are all the details that you need. And I truly hope you found this video helpful. If you have further questions, please do ask them in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to share with you. So I want to thank you so very much for watching. If you're not following me on all my social media platforms, go ahead and follow me. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please go on and click the subscribe button down below. Mwah.